Would you like a quick animal flow sequence to build up heat in the body? There's some amazing movements that you can do, body weight training. If you want to know more, watch this video, and I'll be showing progressions through as to how this will suit you and your body wherever and whatever stage you're at. Comment below, hit that subscribe button. Helps my channel grow. Thank you. So making your way onto all fours, engaging through the core and lifting the knees off the mat. So you're hovering the knees and practicing transferring the weight, one hand to the other, lifting one hand and the other. And feel how that takes quite a bit of core control to keep your pelvis level. You can do this with your knees down if you feel that your pelvis is tipping too much. Navel drawing to spine, lifting one hand off at a time. And then adding in the opposite knee. So lift the opposite knee off, opposite hand, navel drawing to spine. If you feel steady with that, then you could hover the knees off and try that. And again, it could just be lifting the feet. It could be adding in lifting the hands. That in itself can take quite a while to master. And again, this is harder than it looks. Imagine you're balancing something on your low back, keeping your pelvis nice and stable. Core drawing in, breathing. And start to feel the kind of springiness through your feet as you start to swivel. So we're now adding in a swiveling, twisting motion, swiveling round and kicking through. So this is also known as beast. Beast with kick through. Shake the hands out, shake the wrists. And this is wonderful for building up bone density. We need to load through our wrists to build up bone density. So again, lifting one hand, opposite foot, engage through the core, beast. And then when you feel ready, you're preparing yourself to swivel and twist on that weight-bearing foot, swivel round and kick through. Swivel back, change sides, and really feel the core, how it has to work to swivel you round. Shake the wrists. And again, it is a lot harder than it looks. Here we go again. Loaded beast or beast. Swivel and kick through. And have a bit of fun with this. As you start to get a bit more confident with it, you could move a little bit quicker, even hop from one side to the other, and progress through. I'll be showing some more sequences in this Rewilding Movement series. This is a wonderful primary series. You could even reach to your toes to extend through. Keep breathing, challenging your balance, having fun with it. Again, you could add in a hop and start to make the movement more seamless, one side to the other. Well done. Again, another round, practicing opposite hand lifting, opposite foot. And it takes a few rounds. We need to build up endurance, build up strength, build these new neural connections, teaching ourselves new movements. Building up heat in the body, And it takes practice. Practice over perfection, always. And it could be really slowing it down as you twist, really engaging through the core. Slower is actually harder. You're having to really stabilize, slow it down. Practice swiveling. Hopping to the other side. Keep breathing. Challenging yourself. Reach to the toe. It's so great to move in different ways, challenge our muscles, challenge our fascia, and shake out. Well done. Circling through the wrists. Well done. Is a part of primal flow, animal flow movement. I like to call it rewilding movement. To come to the floor, to practice these primal movements and really retrain the core. As you can see, it's harder than it looks. So practice it and practice crawling, practice sitting on the floor and have fun. The main point of all this is that so we can play. Movement is play in our bodies. And if you're training, we train to play so that we can move without restrictions and live an abundant life. So thank you so much. Comment below what you'd like to see, and I will endeavor to share that.